Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bella. I'm back here with another one. So yeah, today we're using the olive oil relaxer to relax my hair today. So yeah, this is what it looks like when you open the pack. It comes in like 6, but there's an extra one that is free that's making it 7. So yeah, it's even written in the pack. It says 6 plus 1 free, which makes it 7. It also comes with spatula and it comes with a hand glove. Alright guys, if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. Please join the family by subscribing. I make hair tutorial videos and you might really need any of them, so please subscribe. Alright. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just divide my hair in sections. So yeah, just like this. It doesn't need to be perfect. All right, so let's get right into it. I'm just going to get 2 packs of the olive oil relaxer and then get my mixing bowl and mix it all together. If you have a very sensitive scalp, I suggest you apply Vaseline, the one with the blue seal, just for you to like protect your scalp and your edges. I'm just going to apply the relaxer around in circles of the section at the back. Then I'll move over to the front part. So after applying the relaxer in circles, the next thing I will do is I'm going to use my finger and make like a split part and then apply the relaxer down there in the roots. I'll keep doing this until I get to the other section. Then I'm just going to massage. Please keep watching, so you're going to learn and see how it goes. So guys, after applying my relaxer in every section, all I'm going to do is just take my big comb and comb it through. I'm not going to comb it through as in till the tip. No, I'm just going to comb only the place I applied the relaxer on, and then I'm going to massage it. Then I'm going to make a split, comb it out, then apply my relaxer. I'm just going to be doing this gently and make sure I get the relaxer in there in every split I make. I went off camera to do the rest sections, but these are here. What I'm doing right now is the last part. So after applying my relaxer and combing it out with my small comb and reapplying and massaging, I will just go in with my relaxer, and apply it thoroughly once again round each section. After this, I'm going to wait for some minutes and let it relax. If your scalp is very sensitive, I suggest you watch it closely so you can wash it off. So guys, I'm done washing my hair with shampoo and conditioner. This is what it's looking like. You can't tell me nothing, guys. My hair is super relaxed. I love everything about this method. It's very soft. I wish you guys can feel it. It's very nice and it's super relaxed. As you can see, even the back, every part of this hair is relaxed. So I'm going to show the shampoo and conditioner I use is Tresemme moisture rich conditioner and silky shampoo. Then I'm going in with the heat protectant just because I'm going to use blow dryer and straightener on my hair, so I just need to protect it. So next I'm going to go in with my macadamia nut oil. This oil is very good for dry hair. If your hair is always dry, you need this oil. So I'm going to apply it generously on my hair. So this is what my hair looks like after straightening it. Wow, I love the result. It's super silky, it's very healthy, it's so soft. So guys, the next thing I'll do is to trim my hair, but I'm not going to do that now. I'm not doing that anytime soon, probably next time. So yeah, please guys, subscribe to my channel. We've come to the end of today's video. See you guys on my next one. Bye.